In this video, we'll be playing Como Han Pasado los Años, trumpet 1, the Mariachi Internacional Guadalajara version. So starting with the first solo. Again, it's a solo, but you don't want to overblast those B's or the high A. You want to try and get it as controlled as possible. Here we go. So start on the, take the breath after 1, 3, 4. And in that solo, I added an F sharp slur to an A back down to an F. More of a stylistic preference. A section, triplet 1. So just keep in mind those are triplets. So here we go. After count 2, take the breath on 2. 1. 3, 4, 1. And again, triplets. 1. Next one, we have 8 notes, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. And again, high B, you don't want to overblow that B. 3, 4. And again, you want to learn those notes correctly. Take your time. So again, 3, 4, 1. Next part. Next part. Change goes up a note. 3. Next part in section C. Again, triplets. There we go. 1. 3, 4, 1, 2. And the next part is the solo. It's written for trumpet 2, but I will be adding on trumpet 1 for whoever can play it best. On the half notes of the D to G, we'll be doing a chromatic scale going down. So we'll be doing D, C sharp, C natural, B, A sharp, A, G sharp, G natural. And the same goes for the C sharp down to F, C sharp, C natural, B, A sharp, A, G sharp, G, and then F. So here we go, the solo. 3, 4. So again, that chromatic is fingers. And then the next one, which is the C sharp to F. So the solo again would go 3, 4, 1. And then the ending will be all vocal, so that's the end of the song.